This is Chelsea from digitalartteacher.com. Continuing with our discussion on alignment and movement, today we'll talk about how to use rulers and align options in InDesign. Now that I have a design in mind and my columns set, I'll be ready to start filling my page spread with placeholder frames and text boxes. In order to keep the design clean and create some solid alignment, proximity, and movement, we'll set some rulers and guides. If you don't already have rulers, you can find them by deselecting everything with Command or Control D and going to the Properties panel, clicking Rulers, or by selecting Command or Control R. If your rulers are not presented in inches, right-click on each ruler and select inches. The 0 point for your ruler starts in this upper corner. If you need to move the 0 point, say if you're going to work on this page and you need the 0 to be in the middle, you can do this by clicking and dragging to the corner and releasing. Now your 0 point is in the middle and it goes to both sides. If you want to reset it, simply double-click in this corner. To create a guide, drag from one of the rulers and a guide will appear. Guides only appear on one page, so if you have a page spread like this and you want something to go across both pages, you'll have to drag on both sides. If you need to move your guide, simply click on it and drag. To remove a guide, click on it and drag back up to the ruler. Deselect your guides and then go to the Properties panel to the section called Guides. This first option allows you to see what your design looks like without guides. The second option will lock the guides. That way you don't accidentally move a guide when you're trying to move a content box. And the last option turns off Smart Guides. Smart Guides are really useful in InDesign as they help you keep your objects aligned and sometimes equally spaced. But if you don't want things equally spaced or aligned, you may want to turn them off. Now, we'll move on to the next video where we're going to be adding the actual content to your page spreads.